Welcome investors! Today I would like to respond to the comment made by Ti Klim. Under my previous video about my shopping spree, I have really interesting comment made by Ti Klim. Ti Klim is saying, I just think it is a good time to get out of the US market. I mean, look at what is currently administration is planning. Oil and other prices are about to hit higher. Not trying to get political, but I can see the writing on the wall. Yes, US tech stocks are just overpriced. Nokia has been around since 1890 or something. Get back into the US market after it falls in price. Ti Klim, so let me respond first to this what you said. Look at what the current administration is planning. I think that you mean about certain political / economical moves. I also don't want to be political here, but let's point couple things. First thing, the Green New Deal. Second thing, about oil prices going up. And then third thing, about massive spending. And fourth thing, about this what you said, that the tech stocks are going up. So let's start with this Green New Deal, because that's what I think you had in your mind. I'm not gonna comment this really deeply, just generally. This will take a lot of time to implement, and it will cut economy really deeply. And in the end, this will turn away a lot of voters, because economy is very important for average human being, especially in US. So I wouldn't worry about the Green New Deal, because like I said, this will take years to implement, and during the implementation, voters are gonna see how this is gonna affect them, and if it's enforced harder and harder, this will cut more and more jobs. Like I said, I'm not gonna go into the details, but I think the general direction with this entire Green New Deal will turn away more voters against the current administration. So that is the one thing. The second thing which you said about oil prices going up, actually for me personally, I don't mind oil prices going up. Why? Because I own energy fund, and this energy fund which I own is currently down for, I would say, 3 or 4 years, but it is recovering very quickly right now because the oil prices are going up. So particularly speaking about oil prices, I am really happy, as like I said, my energy fund, Vanguard energy fund, is going up, and I hope one day I'll be above the water, because as of right now my energy fund is the biggest loser. So that is my take about oil prices going up. Another thing which I mentioned is massive spending, which the current administration is planning to do. And this is causing already the interest rates and yield on 10 years treasury bonds going up, even without inflation starting to kicking in. But there is anticipation of the market because of the planning spending by the current administration, and this is causing that the yield is going up, which in my particular case is very good. Why? because this will push the prices of gold up. And I own a lot of gold stocks, so I don't mind seeing a lot of inflation coming in the near future, because my gold stocks are gonna skyrocket. Another thing which you mentioned is about tech stocks being overpriced. Tech stocks, again, me personally, I'm not investing in the tech stocks, in particular stocks. I own S&P 500, but I don't buy particular tech stocks. I don't do this because I don't feel this part of the market. It's not the something which I can feel, like in the gold market or uranium or more traditional stocks. I can feel it. I invest and I can see that this is something which will definitively go up in the future. With the tech stocks, I like some of them, but I just don't have this feeling that this is something which will bring me a return on the longer run. Like I said, I have S&P 500, Vanguard S&P 500 fund, and there is a lot of tech stocks. That's good for me. For now, I don't want to get involved into the tech stocks. Another thing which you mentioned in your comment is this is time to get out from the US market. And then what? What to do with the money? It is easy to withdraw. I can do 4 clicks on my Vanguard account and the money will be transferred from my Vanguard brokerage account to my Santander bank account. And then what? Do you have better idea what to do with this money, where to park this money and have also some interest or some dividends from this money? I don't really see any other countries where I can with full confidence put this money besides US. US has it is not a perfect system. It has a lot of disadvantages, but it has a lot of advantages. And I think that the advantages are that you have free economy. You have the companies which are not being influenced by the government. In many other countries, let's say my country, Poland, where I grew up, there is also a stock market. You have big companies, but those big companies have usually partially are owned by the government. And I don't want my money being tied to any governments. Of course, you can argue that in US also the government influence the big companies. Yeah, I understand this, but there is a general separation. It's not like in, let's say, Poland, where you have a big Orlen company and part of this company is owned by the government and government appoints the executives. I don't want the government who is inefficient, politically motivated, to appoint executives into the company which I'm investing. I don't like this. That's why I don't even invest in Poland a dime, a zloty, because I don't like this. As long as the government keeps his hands into the stocks, into the companies, I'm not gonna invest a dime over there. I love my country, I love people, and my heart is always gonna be there, but the system is horrible. It's horrible. That's why I keep all my money in the US stock market. It doesn't mean that I own all the US companies. So that is a really, like you said, to get out from the US market, then what to do with this money? Where to go? I don't see any another place where to go. I'm assuming that you are implying to the current administration, Biden administration, Democratic administration. So my response to this is, you know what? I came here in 1999 to the United States, and I survived the Clinton, I survived then Bush, then I survived Obama, then I survived Trump, and now I will survive Biden. I came here not for political system, I came here for economical system which is above the politics. No matter who is in the White House, no matter who is in the House, no matter who is in the Senate, there are certain principles in this country which I really, really admire. And like I said, it's not the perfect country, not the perfect system. A lot of things could be made better here. There's a lot of horrible things. But this system which was created here, in my view, in my opinion, is the best for me to store my hard-earned money, my all savings. That is my take about this what you said, to get out from here, and then where to go. If you have any ideas, let me know. Maybe I will follow this. Maybe I will liquidate all my stocks and follow your idea. Let me know in the comments section. What is your idea? Because you just post the comment, so just maybe elaborate on this what you have in the mind. I have open mind. I don't mind trying new things. But at the same time, I'm very careful, because there is a saying that the grass behind the fence is always greener. You know what? Until you go and get there, then you will notice that this grass is usually the same, which is on another side of the fence, or many times this grass behind the fence is yellow. Okay, so I don't want to catch myself into the situation where I jump above the fence to see the better grass, and it will turn out that this grass on the other side of the fence is yellow or brown. Okay, so that is my thinking, and please let me know, what do you think about this? Okay, so thank you very much for watching this short video. Please let me know your comments about this, what I was just talking about. If you agree or disagree, please write me down. I would love to hear from you. Just remember to explain your opinion. And like always, this video is just for informational purpose, for motivation and for information. It's not for you to make any decisions. Absolutely not. Because I am just an amateur, okay? Amateur, simple, very simple investor. Like you see, my channel name is Very Simple Investing, because I'm very simple guy, very low intelligence guy, but very strong minded. Okay, so remember about this. Watch this video. If you want to make any decisions, do your own research. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit the thumb up, subscribe to the channel, share this video on Twitter, Facebook with your friends to spread the word about very simple investing. I really appreciate your time with me. Have a great day.